Today we show you ANENG's smart large screen multimeter. It has a high-definition screen on the front. Parameter partition display is intuitive and clear. Lithium battery, charge with a charger. It comes in 2 colors. Automatically turn on the backlight screen. Press hold key to hold data. Automatic identification of DC voltage. Batteries commonly used in homes are generally direct current. Insert the watch pen into the 10A jack. Automatic identification of AC current. Automatic identification of DC current. The backlit screen can be opened in low light, millivolt DC voltage. Fuse detection. If you have a sound, it will pass. Detecting car fuses. If you have a sound, it will pass. No, it's broken. Automatic identification resistance. The measurement results are accurate, used for various repairs. Diodes can light up lamp beads. Voltage can also be measured. Short circuit discharge is required before measuring capacitance. Then you can measure. Measurement frequency. Measure the duty cycle at the same time. Plug in the temperature cable. More accurate detection of object temperature. Displays both degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius. It can also detect the location of breakpoints in the line. Where it doesn't ring, it's the breakpoint. Single stroke to find the line of fire. There will be a beep when it touches the line of fire. Not line does not respond. The back is equipped with lighting. It's okay to find the line when the light is bad.